Mute. Mama Mary. Mama Mary, stop moving it. Let the baby try. Mama Mary. Mary. What, Shivers? Hi, Mama Mary. Go on, Shivers. You can have a bite. Go on, Shivy. Hi, Mary. Mary, I'm not hurting your babies. I am not hurting his babies. You're gonna come check it out. I know, that's a mama. This baby's enjoying his strawberry. Yes. This baby's enjoying his strawberry. You want a bite, Shiv? Go ahead. Go. Look at you, Miss Mary. Look at you. Trying to pull it out of my finger. Are you all done, little guy? Oh, no. Oh, no. You're not done. Well, hello, Shivers. Hello, Mary. I will gladly feed the whole family. Mary, what are you doing? Do I have juice on my fingers? Do I have juice on my fingers, Miss Mary? Mary, stop. There you go, Chevy. Daddy Bird want a bite? Miss Mary, leave my finger alone. You can have berry. You cannot have meat. I know my fingers are all juicy. I know. I got strawberries and grapes and stuff on my fingers, so you think you can lick them. Yeah, Mama, I think they're gonna look a lot like you. There you go, baby girl. You're coming out for it. Hey, give me that. Come on. How brave are you? How brave are you? You're beautiful. Your daddy's trying to eat your nest. You're a pretty bird. Yes, you are. Well, hello, Shivers. You guys don't want your strawberries out of your dish, but yet you'll eat from me. What the heck? What the heck? Shivers gonna tell me what the heck? Shivers. Can you talk to me while I'm feeding the baby? Yeah, you come over and get a bite, but you don't want to talk about it. Okay. Alright. This has been a long video, and I could do this the rest of the day, but my body is not going to let me. So, let me stop.